what accounts for the relatively high ratings of VP Sara?
Well, one is I think the public is reading it in terms of she is not part of the flood control mess. That's one. Secondly, when it comes to intelligence and confidential funds, she does not have that. And third, I think when Congressman Leviste clearly said, I think in one of your shows, that the Vice President doesn't have any project under the proponent or whatever list that DPWH has, that sounded like the people saying, we trust this leader better than the incumbent president.
No, let's go back to what did you say about the confidential funds? That
Well,
the
the confidential fund the vice president doesn't have any allocation for the confidential fund. It stopped in 2024.
but there's still questions over.
Yes, there are still questions, and the COA has already released their final decision on that. And if the vice president is to answer that, probably that would be in the impeachment court if there is an impeachment case filed against her.